How to edit transactions in Mint. First of all, open the Mint app or go to the Mint website and log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will be on the main dashboard. Look for the Transactions tab and click on it to see all your recorded transactions. Next, find the transaction you want to edit. You can use the search bar or scroll through the list. After you find the transaction, click on it to open the details. Here you can edit important details like the transaction amount, date, category, or add notes. Make sure to double check the changes to keep your budget accurate. Once you have made the necessary edits, click the Save button to update the transaction. You can repeat these steps anytime you need to correct or update your transactions. And that's it. Now you know how to edit transaction in Mint. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.